Hi, today in front of me HONOR Magic5 Lite, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off Wi-Fi, how to connect your device to Wi-Fi on our HONOR device. So first we should open the settings, tap to Wi-Fi section, and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off we should use Wi-Fi switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from the network. If, for example, you are connected before to the network, and you wanna forget the password to don't connect automatically, click here to forget. And just to connect to the network, you should just tap on it and enter the password. If you wanna see this password, you should click to this icon. And after that, just tap to connect, so we could see that our device connected to this network. So with the help of the switcher, you could turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, then from the available networks enter the password, tap to connect, and that's it. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. And by the same way, just hold for a while Wi-Fi icon to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.